Siton DL2 production drill rig basic inspection and maintenance. 1. Daily inspection. Check the horn for proper operation. Check the headlights and working lights conditions. Inspect conditions of all hoses and joints on the boom. Tighten any hoses that may be loose. Replace the cracked hoses or joints. 2. Feed beam system inspection. Inspect the feed beam. Inspect the tightness of bolts and nuts. If standard bolts frequently loosen, use self-locking bolts or apply anti-loosening thread sealant. Use high-pressure water to clean the feed beam whenever possible. Inspect the rubber bushings of the rod retainer for any damage. Check the condition, position, and tightness of the rod separator disc into the rod carousel. 3. Chassis inspection. Check the oil levels in the hydraulic and engine oil tanks. Pull up the dipstick. An oil level in the middle range is considered normal. Inspect the fuel level at the end of each shift. Shut down the engine and refill the fuel tank with sufficient fuel to prevent condensation from entering when the machine is not in use. Clean the oil-water separator. Open the valve to drain the separated liquid. Inspect the tire's pressure and bolt tightness. Clean the air filters daily to extend their service life. Inspect the cable reel for scratches and cracks. 4. Water, air, and electrical systems. Inspect the water system for leaks. Clean the water filter. Flush the filter screen in reverse. Check if the oil level in the air compressor is normal. Check if the electrical cabinet and connection box are functioning properly. Inspect the protruding components in the electrical cabinet for damage. All damaged and broken parts must be replaced.
The pioneer of intelligent, complete solutions for coal mines, and tunnels.